Next-generation AP automation replaces manual invoice processing also in complex cases, in full integration to your ERP and artificial intelligence. Most of your purchase invoices can be automatically handled using any piece of data on your invoices. Where you need manual approval, the solution guides people through it, also in mobile. Your AP team can set business rules to refine the data. For example, you can move data from a wrong field to the correct one, like the contract number in this example. Further, you can also set approval thresholds, meaning who in your organization can approve how large invoices. You can set three-way matching with any documents, like PO matching with orders and invoices, and use contract matching for recurring invoices, like a monthly rent. With a visual workflow management, you can also define clear internal approval processes, seeing how changes impact the overall workflow, and visualizing how many invoices you have at which date to identify bottlenecks. Adding artificial intelligence will further bring down the number of invoices that need manual handling, ensuring your high automation level. Empower the data on your invoices. Maximize automation even in complex cases. Give the power of setup to your AP team. Ask for a free demo today.